Welcome to Adventurous Life with Theo. I'm Theo. Thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be making a simple snack that it's eat anytime on the go and you can have it anytime you want. Let's get started. So first we have our bread. It doesn't matter what kind it is. We can use any peanut butter. Doesn't matter if it's crunchy or smooth. We opened a new pack of peanut butter so that it's fresh. So we're simply going to spread the peanut butter on the toast so then there's room, so then it's nice and flat, so then there's room for the other toppings. If you love peanut butter, you can put a lot of peanut butter, and I love peanut butter, but I'm not going to put a lot today because I've had lots of peanut butter already. That's what I like to do. Delicious. Now we're going to put the banana. Slippery sucker. Put as much as you want. If you love banana, you can put more as much as you want. You can fill the entire toast with banana. That'd be silly. Just don't do that. Okay, and next we're gonna put the honey. Oh, this honey is hard. You know what, guys? Might as well just get a spoon to use this. This might work easier. Oh yeah, that comes right out. That's awesome. You can do this every day. You can have this any day you want. It's a lovely, delicious, and healthy snack. You don't want to put too much honey. If you watched the grilled cheese video, yeah, I put too much butter. Now I know for next time, don't put too much butter. I'm licking it because I love honey. Yeah, that would be disgusting. And then lastly, we have the cinnamon. Want to put too much? You don't. Also, it'll taste spicy. Okay, time for the taste test. Wow. That is good.